In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use automated actions to set sentiment and tag your mentions. Automated actions are a great way to reduce manual work and save time. So let's click on automated actions to start and click on add new action. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to tag your mentions through a certain criteria. So the first step is to choose your query. So I'm going to choose Starbucks. And then you have option to apply this automated action to all of your current or future queries. The second step is to name your action. So in this case, I'm going to write tier media. It'll all make sense later. So now I'm going to switch to trigger criteria. So there are 3 criteria you can select to trigger an action. In this case, I'm going to show you how to trigger an action through website criteria. So for example, I'm going to write NewYorkTimes.com, press enter, then BBC.com, and then press enter, and then lastly, let's say CNN.com and press enter. So then I'm going to go to action step and create a new tag. So my tag will be called tier 1 media. And here you can see your tag. So what will this automated action do? So every time a new mention appears from these websites, they will be tagged tier 1 media. You can also create automated action for tier 2 media, tier 3 media. So basically you can then categorize your mentions by the type of media and its importance. So when I created my tag, there's an option to apply this automated action to all of my mentions. So I'm going to select this and then click on create action. When you click on create action, you'll see your automated action here. You'll see its name, the query you selected, and which triggers it has. So let's create another automated action. This time we'll create automated action to set sentiment. So once again, I'm going to choose my query and I'm going to name it Starbucks negative sentiment, like this. And in this case, I'm going to use keywords as my criteria. So in this part, I'm going to write, let's say, bad, awful, and let's say hate. And then I'm going to go to actions and set sentiment. So every time these keywords appear in a mention, the tool will automatically set a negative sentiment to those mentions. Once again, I'm going to click on apply to all mention and then click create action. So like I said previously, once again, you will see all of your automated actions here, and you can also delete them, duplicate them, or edit them if you want.